Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a donut squishy, and yeah, so the materials you will need are foam, and I already just went ahead and cut out my donut shape, and I'm going to be using tempera paint or tempera paint. I got this at Hobby Lobby for $3 for this little can. It's Spider Pink, and then I'm just using a bunch. This is for if you want sprinkles. I'm using all these colors for the sprinkles. So I'm using yellow, blue, red, purple, green, and orange. So what you're going to do is go ahead and put some of your tempera paint on a piece of cardstock or paper, like that. And usually I like to put another piece of paper underneath it just in case if it like bleeds through, because that has happened and it got all over my thing before. So what you do is you get your little stick, and you can use like a sponge brush, or you can just, paint it on. And I'm using a very thin layer. I'm not doing like a thick coat. I'm just doing like a sponge paint. And you're just gonna paint the area. But if you don't want to use a little stick, you can use brushes like these, where you just sponge it on. Like, dab it on. Again, I'm just trying to make the coat so where you just don't see any white. And this is going to be a strawberry flavored donut. And usually I like to go inside the little, donut hole, just to, make them look more realistic. Usually happens to me. But I'm just going to pause the video while I just paint that. Okay guys, I'm back, and I just, painted the whole thing. Really not the whole thing, but most of it pink. And now I'm just going to use the bright and cheerful colors just to, do sprinkles. So what you're going to have to do, this is rubber paint, so I have to shake it. And then you just simply do like little lines. Just like that, all over with different colors. So it's just like rainbow sprinkles. And who doesn't want rainbow sprinkles on a donut? I wouldn't really recommend doing, pink, since if you're doing like a strawberry, flavored donut. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, I'm just going to do that a bunch of times. Oh no, crap. I'll fix that. I'll be right back. I fixed a little donut inconvenience. You do have to be careful with puffy paint, because sometimes it doesn't like, come out. And so, yeah. And if you accidentally do a dot, like, instead of a line, you can just like see if it did a dot like right there. I just like bring it out and then kind of go over it just a little bit. But I'm just doing this with, the rainbow colors to make our donut extra beautiful. I'm not doing this in any sort of, okay, tiny camera malfunction. But I'm just, putting on sprinkles. Comment of the day. I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to try. Comment of the day. What is your favorite dessert? So put in the comments below. What is your favorite dessert? I'm doing one last sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And in the comments below, put down like, video ideas. So I can know what kind of videos you want me to do. But now I'm just doing the last color, which is red for the sprinkles. So, revision is just like a really repetitive process of drawing little lines on the donut. And soon I'm going to have a business, and I might sell some squishies. It's going to be called Jewelry and More. I'm probably going to put it on like an Etsy shop. But yeah, pretty awesome sauce-some if you ask me. But this is the little donut. Sorry, that was really weird. But yeah, bye guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and turn the notifications on. Bye.